When it comes to industrial metal fabrication here in Saudi Arabia, you need more than just a supplier. You need an expert partner. That's where we come in. For those really complex projects that demand absolute precision, we're the team people turn to. So today, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly what we do and, just as important, how we get it done right. All right, here's a quick roadmap for what we're covering. First, we'll walk through our complete end-to-end process. Then, we'll geek out a little on the high-tech machinery that guarantees precision. After that, we'll talk about the commitments that are the bedrock of our business and what that means for you. And finally, we'll look at how we can build the future together. Sound good? Let's dive in. So, first up, our end-to-end solution. Look, this isn't just about us being another name on a list of vendors. It means your single point of contact for the entire project. Think about that. No more finger pointing between different companies. Just one team, one vision, making sure everything runs smoothly from the very first design sketch to the final bolt being tightened. Our process really covers everything in 4 key phases. It all kicks off with design and engineering, where we use advanced software to make sure every single plan is not just solid, but also meets every single regulation. Then we move to custom fabrication. This is where the magic happens, and our skilled team crafts every component, beams, platforms, you name it, to your exact specs. After that, it's all about strength and longevity. Our certified welders get to work, and we apply durable finishes to protect your investment. And we don't stop there. The final phase is just as critical: precision installation and ongoing maintenance to guarantee safety and performance for years to come. It's a complete 360-degree approach. Now, you can have the best process in the world, but you need the right tools to execute it. That's where our technology comes in. You know, investing in state-of-the-art equipment isn't just about having the latest and greatest toys. For us, it's a direct investment in the quality, accuracy, and efficiency of your project. And here's the bottom line. Our machinery is the engine that drives our precision. It's how we can promise, with total confidence, that the 1,000th piece we fabricate will be a perfect twin to the first. That's the kind of consistency you need, no matter how big or small your project is. Let's get specific. For those incredibly detailed designs, our CNC laser cutters deliver accuracy that's just second to none. When it comes to structural integrity, our robotic welders lay down consistent, high-strength welds every single time. That's absolutely critical. Need to bend and form sheet metal? Our press brakes do it with precision. And what about materials that can't take the heat? No problem. Our water jet cutters slice through them with a clean, perfect edge without damaging the material itself. Each machine plays a vital role, all focused on one thing: a superior result for you. Technology is a powerful tool, for sure, but it's our values, our commitments, that guide how we use it. This part is really about the heart of our company, the non-negotiable promises that are the foundation of every single thing we do. First on that list, unrivaled quality. What does that mean? It means we don't just meet standards. We live by the strictest international standards. We build solutions that you can count on to be durable and reliable, even in the toughest industrial environments. There are absolutely no compromises here. Period. Next up, on-time delivery. We get it. In your world, delays aren't just an inconvenience. They cost serious money and can throw entire operations off track. That's why our project management is obsessed with one thing: making sure your project stays on schedule every single time. And this one is huge for us: safety first. This isn't just a poster on the wall, it's baked into our DNA. We have strict safety protocols that protect our team, your assets, and your facility. At the end of the day, it's about giving you complete peace of mind. And our sense of responsibility doesn't stop there. We're also deeply committed to sustainability. We're always finding ways to optimize materials, to cut down on waste, using eco-friendly processes, and reducing our environmental footprint on every project. It's about building responsibly for a better future. Okay, so what happens when you take our end-to-end services, power them with advanced technology, and guide them with unwavering commitments? Well, you get what we call the AskA Partnership Advantage. We're not interested in just one-off transactions. We're here to build lasting, trusted partnerships that are based on real, tangible results. But hey, don't just take our word for it. Listen to what our partners, like Umar Irfan, have to say. He talks about how our knowledge improved his company's efficiency and how we're committed to minimizing downtime. See? That's the real-world impact we're talking about. Solutions that actually make your operations better. So, how do we build that kind of trust? It comes down to these 3 pillars. First, full transparency. We're completely open book, from the budget all the way to final delivery. Second, you get dedicated support. That means a whole team with senior oversight that really feels like an extension of your own. And third, that uncompromising quality we talked about, ensuring flawless execution every step of the way. This table lays it all out pretty clearly. But look closer at how these things connect. See how customized solutions leads directly to efficiency optimization? That's because we don't just build what you ask for. We engineer it to actually make your workflow smoother. And that 24/7 emergency response, that's not some overseas call center. That means our dedicated technicians are ready to be on site when you need them immediately. That's the difference between a simple vendor and a true partner. And that brings us to our final thought, building your future with us. We've covered what we do, how we do it, and why we do it. Now, let's talk about taking that next step together. So the question is really simple. Are you ready to partner with a fabrication expert that will not compromise on quality, that will always respect your schedule, and that puts safety above everything else? If that sounds like what you've been looking for, then the next step is easy. We'd like to invite you to start a conversation with us. Just reach out to our team here at AskA Solution. Let's talk about your project, your challenges, and your goals. At the end of the day, AskA Solution is your trusted partner for excellence in metal fabrication. If getting it done right, on time, and with total safety is what matters most to you, then you know who to call. We truly look forward to seeing what we can build together.